What's up, YouTube? Welcome to this video. I'm out on a sourcing trip, believe it or not. I am going to the Dollar Tree to pick up some items that sold. So I have to go buy the inventory now that they have sold on eBay. Just a few things. And then I got word that one of the local independent, hole-in-the-wall, very indiscreet thrift stores is open for business. So I'm gonna slip by there, see if the rumor is true. I may go in or I may not, just depends on how it looks. And that's the thing. So let's go. Then let's find some stuff. All right, we're here, Dollar Tree. This is a super busy area here. There's a Chick-fil-A there and it is absolutely packed, like around the block line. Anyways, yeah, Dollar Tree, going in to get some inventory that sold last night and this morning. All right, cool. So we've got the inventory. It is some new products. Both of these items that sold, one last night and one this morning. They're bundle packs, multiple quantities of each item, but they're different items for both sales. First sale of each one, I found them both yesterday and listed them both yesterday, earlier in the day, and they sold last night. So I have high hopes for these. There's tons more in stock. And so this is something that could become a reoccurring thing. It's always super important whenever you're building these bundle packs like this to make sure that you're not price gouging. Make sure that you cover your shipping with a healthy margin for, you know, depending on how far it has to go and that sort of thing. And then also make sure that you are collecting a profit without gouging the customer when it comes to price. Here is a little tip that I learned. If you source small products, even if they weigh more than 1 pound, for myself, a lot of my products are pretty small bundles, but they weigh a lot. And so I found out that if you use the padded flat rate envelope, it's only $7.85 to ship that up to 70 pounds. So definitely worth looking into. I use the padded flat rate envelope probably more than any other priority mail anything, just because it's so good. You can fit smaller shoes, kids shoes, or smaller ladies shoes. You can fit them in that priority padded flat rate envelope. There you go. All right, looks like it's open. Well, this is one of the little places, one of the little buildings, and then this building back here, it's kind of dark, you can't really see it. There it goes. It is open. So, all right, so it's open. I'm going to strap the GoPro on and get in there and see what we can find. I'm really excited about this. Hopes are not too high, but I would imagine that there's probably not a lot of thrifting going on right now, so there might be some cool stuff in there. Let's go check it out. A bunch of furniture in here. Nothing that I want. King.
in that box.
All right, so that was a little bit less exciting than I thought it was going to be. However, I got 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of Vans and 1 pair of Converse, both good condition. They just got to be cleaned up. Paid $2 a piece for those. I'll probably get $10 or $15 plus shipping. And then I got a few shirts and a couple pairs of pants. All in all, I paid $8 out the door. He gave me a discount for whatever reason. This guy gives a ton of discounts. That right there should be $12 because it's 6 items, and he charged me $8. So I don't know. He does his own thing, and I'm good with it. So overall I paid, I guess, $1.50 per item. It's about as low as you can pay without getting stuff for free. And that's pretty rad. So I love this place. I just wish they had more stuff in there. If you think back just a little while ago, I had bought a pair of all white Doc Martens shoes for $2, and I sold them for $59 on Poshmark. That was actually here. Got them for $2, cleaned them up, sold them within a matter of, I think, 3 minutes of listing them on Poshmark. Really good sale. That is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna get home, get this stuff cleaned and listed. And as always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.